What's up, my warriors? This is Capto Shreyas, and are you the one who makes New Year resolutions every time but fail to keep up to it? Do you always make commitments but are unable to fulfill them? Then definitely you should watch this video till the end because I'm going to unlock the science behind the New Year resolutions. I'm also going to tell you, do New Year resolutions actually work and what to do if you want to keep up to your commitments. So before we begin, do not forget to smash the like button down there and let's start. Well, guess what the statistics say? All those who make their resolutions during the new year are very likely to stick to their commitments as compared to the ones who make it at some other points during the year. Having said that, less than 10% of those people who make new year resolutions actually stick to it till the year end. Now that's not a surprise because you would have observed that the gym memberships actually pick up during the new years and they slowly fizzle out in attendance by the first quarter of the year. Well, here is your tip number one to make sure your New Year resolutions succeed. Always set smaller targets than fancy and ridiculously impractical targets. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you want to prepare for a swimming competition and it requires you to swim at least 50 laps. You cannot swim 50 laps on the day one of preparation. Rather, you would want to swim 1 or 2 laps and then slowly improve your targets to 50 in the weeks to come. The same applies to every aspect of life. Here is another simple math in case you did not get it. Remember, even if you improve by 1% every day, then by the year end, you would have improved by at least 37 times. And that's the effect of compounding. And the reverse is also true. So if you degrade yourself by 1% every day, then you would be almost down to nothing by the year end. So the point is to set smaller targets, achieve those smaller growth numbers than have those big fancy numbers which are almost near to impossible to achieve. The next important thing is to always pick up your pen, your diary and write down all the commitments that you have. Because the chances are, if you just mentally tell it to yourself, then most likely you're not going to complete it. So always print it out, write it out on a poster or a sticker and put it up on your wall, at your study place, or even better, tell it to your friends and relatives. Because if you fall back, then they are going to constantly remind you that you have to complete your target. That way, you'll be constantly pushed and be motivated and reminded to complete your New Year resolution. Try it out and let me know if this works. And if you're loving all these tips already, I hope you have already smashed the like button down there. The most important and interesting trick to stay committed to your target is to stay focused and to not lose out to distractions. Now that's very easily said rather than done. For example, I love eating chocolates. The moment I see it, I just want to have them. But imagine I don't see it, or somebody hides it for me, or I put it at a place where I cannot access it easily. Then surely for the first few days, I'm going to feel something is missing. I'm going to be sad about it. But if I can overcome that initial days of temptation and my desire, then surely I have overcome my craving towards chocolates. And very soon, I would have learned the art of self-control. And that's what you need to practice in your life, be it social media distraction or any kind of distraction that is troubling and hindering your process of achieving your targets. Last but not the least is to make the whole process fun. Because if you aren't having fun, then you're not going to be self-driven and motivated to complete your tasks. For example, you want to balance and control your weight. Then apart from the routine exercises and the diet control, you need to add some fun element, like say every time you miss your favorite piece of cake or chocolates, you're going to get that extra playtime on your favorite video game or your sport. So that way you will be pushing yourself to miss and balance your diet. So that works for every aspect of your studies or in general your life. What is your New Year resolution for this year? Do let me know in the comment section down there. I'll be reading all of it. And Yes, do me a favor by smashing the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that I can put up amazing and awesome content for all of you, and share it with your friends and family if you have enjoyed this content. That's it from my side. This was Captain Shreyas. Hasta la vista.